What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. So today I'm actually going to head to the Goodwill bins. It's half off day. Haley is going to stay here and do some cleaning and listing. She's just killing it lately. Mo's is going to hang out with her. Yeah, he's in it for today. But I'm going to head to the Goodwill bins. They should be opening in about 5 minutes. It's half off day. Should be a restock day. Should be crazy crowded. Let's jump into it. They are absolutely packed today, son. I mean, I had to park way over there. All these parking spots are taken up. I'm telling you, the half off days are Wednesday and Friday. I think Sunday's also half off, but they don't restock that day, so it's not near as crowded. But Wednesdays and Fridays are rough. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, there you go. Yes, ma'am. What's up, man? You got any more big bags? Nope. Awesome. We'll fill them up today. Oh yeah. Appreciate you. All right, right off the bat, we got some golf clubs. What the heck is that? UGC Forged Titanium. We got a top flight pitching wedge. It's a junior. I still think it'll be worth it. Online Pro Series. That's pretty decent. Unlock. Another putter. This is a kid's putter. Wilson Ultra. I might grab it. We went to Play It Again Sports yesterday, and they were almost out of putters. So I'll just get all the putters I see today, and then take them straight to him. See if we can cash them out. Okay, and that's it for the golf clubs. Let's move. Oh, there's one more. Pacer. Grab that one too. Here again, it's half off days, so all this stuff is going to be like less than $1 per pound. So we'll keep looking here. Oh, I think this is the monkey from Aladdin. I'll grab him. Excuse me, can I squeeze right in here? I'm gonna grab that helmet right here. So sorry. Thank you so much. Monkey helmet.
It's great if you need it, but I've never had luck trying to sell a helmet.
Really?
Never. I end up giving them away.
Yeah. Try that. There's some plate weights right here, just some 2.5 pound like standards. But since this by the weight, this won't really be profitable. We'll new bright battery and charger. We'll definitely grab that. What's up, bud?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Doing good, man. How about yourself?
Congrats, man.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Big stuff, bro.
Yeah, we're excited. She's home listing right now.
Well,
she's overwhelmed with.
Marvin said she was excited for us.
Yeah.
And Bernice was like, "Oh my god."
Golf clubs. So many golf clubs. Oh, I think that's the. Oh, there's another putter. Look at that. Michelin. That's interesting. I'll get that. Just found this little camera back in here. Pentax IQ Zoom 115S. Looks to be, well, it's like opening from the wrong side here. The whole back's coming off, but it seems like it could easily be fixed. I don't know. Even non-working condition, I bet it's worth a good bit. Let's look it up real fast. I mean, like 20 plus shipping, 29 free shipping, 33 free shipping, 20 plus shipping. All these look to be like working though, so we might grab this. I mean, it'll probably only be like 25 cents or so. Maybe get 10 bucks plus shipping for it. Maybe I can fix it. Then it's working and we can sell it for 30. I just found this Optimus SCP-31 cassette player. Looks to be in good shape. Sold comps, 30 bucks plus shipping, 16 plus shipping, 41 free shipping. So definitely worth grabbing. Sorry, excuse me. So I just found this just charger. It says Respironics. I think this is for a CPAP machine. You cannot sell CPAP machines on eBay, but you can sell the power cords and stuff like this. It is missing like the actual cord that goes from this to the wall, but I have a bunch of these extra at the house. So we're gonna pay maybe 25-50 cents for this, and sold comps are pretty good. Like 22 free shipping, $14.99 plus shipping, 20 plus shipping for that one. So definitely worth picking up. Some shoes right here. I think, yeah, Johnson & Murphy. The uppers are in okay condition, but the bottoms are really worn. And I've never really had a lot of luck with men's dress shoes anyway. I'm sure these are all in here. That. What's your name?
Richie, man.
Richie just found this sick Disney come up, man. What's the tag? Vintage Disney, made in USA. I think I've seen Rally Roots find that same exact shirt before, but I'm not 100% sure. But that's awesome.
The only
man.
thing I found today.
Yeah,
I'll take it.
That is awesome.
Any day.
All right.
All right, golf clothes are $1 a piece.
Okay.
You don't have to really. Matter of fact, today's half off, so they're 50 cents today.
Awesome. Appreciate that.
3, 4, 5.
$2.50 in golf clubs plus half off for everything else.
£9, 35 cents a piece, 95 cents a pound, $11.05.
$11.05. Sounds good to me. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. You
Appreciate
have
you.
okay? Come out the field.
Every day.
Hey, you got the snaps today?
I got the snaps right here.
All right.
Yo, bro. Can I get your number, man, to see if you ever find anything? I'll hit
Yeah.
I'll hit you up.
Yeah, well, just shoot me an Instagram DM. It's Hairytornado on
Okay.
Instagram.
Word.
I respond to that more than text
All
usually.
right, brother. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't look for a lot of clothes, but occasionally I'll stumble across something. I come here like every day, so see ya. I was gonna go put this stuff in the car first, but I'm just gonna run into the retail side. Oh, there's my shoe lady putting out new shoes. Let's go see what she got. Oh man, well, those are gonna be better than that. I go buy them. Those are cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. Let's go, baby. Okay, so these Jordans look okay. The holographic looks really good, but a couple issues. They're peeling on the front right there, and both of the size tags are worn off like that. Also, there's no insoles, but there is that little circle hole thing down there, so they look legit. They're just kind of in rough shape. But for $6.50, I think I'll still grab them. These can still sell for, I don't know, 70, 80 bucks or so, even in the current condition. Could be way off on that, but I think these are going to be at least well worth the $6.50 I'll pay for them. So here's everything I picked up today. This little Aladdin Abu thing, I turned him on and he works, but it's oh my, it repeats what you say. That is it's crazy. I thought it was just broken this whole time. Okay, that is, let me turn them off because I'm tired of them, but that's freaking cool. It works great. I don't know what it's worth. I can't find sold comps. It's got a Disney tag on the bottom, but definitely really cool there. This Optimus thing, again, that was like, I think like 35, 40 bucks on that. Martin ukulele strings, they're all in there, but we're just probably going to use those for personal use. This New Bright battery charger, always look out for these batteries. You can find these at the bins all the time. The charger itself should sell for about 12, 13 bucks plus free shipping on there. And the battery should, I mean, there's one battery that sold $25 best offer. There's a combo right there, 25 bucks free shipping. So I'll probably, you know, plug it in, make sure it works, and list it for maybe $24.99 free shipping, and that should sell pretty quickly there. Again, the respirator thing should sell for about 15 bucks. This camera, if it works, if we can get that door fixed, should sell for about 25 to 30. Haven't looked up this yet. Let me look this up real fast. I couldn't find anything on eBay for this, and on Amazon, I mean, new, they're like $44, used from $2, so probably not worth a ton of money, but we got it for super cheap. I mean, we paid $22 for everything, like $11 for the stuff at the bins, and then another $11 for the 2 pairs of shoes. These shoes were $6.50, and these shoes were $4.50, right? So that's $11 total, no sales tax. We also got this Arai helmet. This is the Challenger X Snell 1975. I don't know a lot about helmets, but I've seen some sell for a lot of money, and this one looked really cool, so I looked it up, and I really don't know what's gonna happen with this. So first of all, it's definitely old and vintage. I mean, the padding is like disintegrating, so it's not something that could actually be used. This would definitely be like a decorative or collector's item piece, but it's in good shape. I mean, a couple little scuffs and nicks and stuff, but a really interesting colorway. And looking up sold comps, I just typed in Arai Challenger X, because that's what it's on the other side. I mean, there's X75. Is that what it was? This is 1970. Yeah, X75. That's what it says. So this one right here is silver, much less cool looking. That one sold for 70 bucks plus $25 shipping. And there's some crazy ones, man. 127, 202, 305. I mean, of course, I can't find one that looks exactly like mine, but you know, half price day at the bins, probably paid like, I don't know, $3 for this. I'm not going to leave it for $3. So we will get this cleaned up, maybe list as an auction and just see what happens. I have no idea what it's worth. It could be worth 30 bucks. It could be worth 150. I don't know. We got the really nice Puma suedes over here, super clean. Might just need a little quick wipe down. We should be able to get about 30 bucks plus shipping for those. And then of course the Jordans. I don't know, I think these are the 13s, but don't hold me to that. Holographic looks nice, but again, they have all those issues that I showed you earlier. Still think it was a good pickup for $4.50. She rang these up as a kid's shoe, which they probably are. We also have all the golf clubs over here. I think I'm going to take most of these to Play It Again Sports. I'm probably going to list this one on eBay. It's Top Flight Junior pitching wedge. If a kid has this as a set, I guarantee you they're probably going to lose this by leaving it on the golf course somewhere. So not worth a ton, but I think this should sell for maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks plus shipping pretty quickly. And then all these putters, I think I'm just going to take them to Play It Again Sports and see what we can get for them. Cool Michelin putter there. You know, no great brands or anything like that. But again, when I went yesterday to take some stuff, they just did not have any putters at all. I mean, I think they had like 6 when usually they have like 50. So, I mean, if we can get, I don't know, 20, 25 bucks for all 4 of these putters, that would be pretty much all of our money back, and then everything else will be pure profit. Let's go see what Haley and Mose are up to. Hello? Haley?
Yes.
Hello? What's going on? Oh, hey. Hey. Yeah. Haley was in here. She was attempting to pack some stuff up for me while I was gone. She's got some Nike shoes going out today. She just wasn't super confident in like closing the box. She's like, I just put stuff in the box and you can close it. So she's learning. She's getting so good at just everything, everything that we're trying, you know, listing and cleaning and shipping. She's learning so fast. And I just love it, man. I love this new venture that we're on together. And Mose, what have you been doing today? Just looking cute? This is his, that dog that I showed you guys last time that he hadn't torn up yet. He tore it up. We got all these shoes out here that Haley's been cleaning over the last, this is probably like 2 days worth of shoes that she's cleaned, and we're out here, you know, just drying, getting ready to list. And then the garage is coming along, man. Like, obviously we still got a ton of golf clubs to make our way through, but the death pile is just dwindling and dwindling. Look at all this space, man. We have been straight busting it lately, and I'm just so happy with how things are are working out. So I think that's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. It's totally free and it really helps us out a ton. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.